Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a tuna and egg sandwich. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 5-ounce can of tuna, 2 hard-boiled eggs, and about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Don't forget 1 stalk of crisp celery, 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, and 2 slices of your favorite bread. A pinch of salt and pepper will complete our simple list. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them ready. Start by thoroughly draining your 5-ounce can of tuna. This prevents a watery sandwich. Next, peel and finely chop your 2 hard-boiled eggs into small, uniform pieces. Finally, finely dice 1 stalk of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These small pieces ensure a delightful texture in every bite. With all your components prepared, it's time to create the delicious filling. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the thoroughly drained tuna, your finely chopped hard-boiled eggs, the crisp diced celery, and the aromatic red onion. Now, add about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, mixing everything gently until well combined. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. The final step is to assemble your masterpiece. Take 1 slice of your favorite bread and generously spread the tuna and egg mixture evenly across it, reaching almost to the edges. Place the second slice of bread on top, gently pressing down. For an extra touch, you might add a crisp lettuce leaf or a thin tomato slice. Serve your perfect tuna and egg sandwich immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.